Okay, I want you to be honest, extremely honest with yourself. I'm going to show you two images. And I want you to look at them and figure out which one is the most artistic. Here's the first one. Now, if you live in Austin, Texas, I don't. I live in Canada, in Ottawa. You probably have seen this. Look at the details. Look at the character. Now, take a look at this one over here. This is the new logo for Austin. Which one is better in your eyes? Again, be honest. The original one or the new one? Now, I'm just going to come across and just let you know that the original one for Austin, Texas, has a lot more character in it. In fact, it has a whole history. The new one, it took years, I think 7 years, to come up with this logo for Austin, Texas. 7 years and over $1 million to come up with this. What do you think? I think that creativity has to have some sort of history involved. The first logo was by a family that created Austin or founded it, Stephen Austin. And this was his seal. I mean, this was a work of art. It's not just a work of art, but there is history involved. As I said, there's character. But these days, everything in the corporate world is becoming so blasé. What happened to taking a chance? What happened to find art, risking it all? It's so safe. It's so cookie cutter, right? Do you want that to be your art? If you're from Austin, Texas, I'd like to hear from you. Do you like what's going on in your city? Like, for me, I don't care. I live in Ottawa, right? What do I care about Austin, Texas? But you're living there. Did you decide that you want this to represent your town, your great city? Leave all of your information in the comments. Let me know, am I totally off base? Is art objective or is it subjective? Let me know. And by the way, while you're doing that, check out my podcast. It's called Welcome to Earth Stories. It's sci-fi stories from Austin, Texas, from Ottawa, from Jamaica, from all around the world. You can check it out at welcometooearthstories.com. That's about it for me. This is York from Idea Magnet, and I'll talk to you soon.